Hello you guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. I like that. Masculine Pretty Little Things. Let me cover up my address and all that. I don't want you guys to know where I live at, stalkers. Today we're going to do a Pretty Little Things haul. As you can see, the packaging is super cute. Freaking, what are these, unicorns? I like. That's what I like. Okay, so we are going to do this haul today, and I'm going to open it up. On the site is freaking amazing, dude. Like, literally, I almost went broke. Like, I almost had to go out and get a loan to pay my rent and things like that, because I was like, oh my god, this is cute, that is cute, this is cute, no, that's cute. Ugh, everything was freaking cute. So they give you a list of the items that you ordered, the price, all that jazz. First things first, I ordered this red, I ordered this swimsuit, a red top and bottom. Where's the bottom? I ordered, so as you can see, throwing stuff around, I ordered so much stuff. Okay, so here's the top, here's the bottom. I am going to put it on and you will see how it looks. I got the top in a, hold on, let's check this out. One of my favorite colors is red. You guys are gonna have to figure out the other favorite colors. I can't just give you guys everything. Oh wait. There we go. We got the light. I had to close my windows because I didn't want my neighbors to, you know, see all this. I mean, they gotta pay first. They can't just be seeing all the goodies. Okay, so anyhow, this is the red top. Guess what, you guys? You know me. I ordered two tops. I was supposed to order a red bottom and a red top, and I ordered two tops, and I went back and I checked, and yeah, that was my bad. So I have the red top anyways. I got this skirt right here, as you can see, super cute. Has the slits in the legs. I got this jeweled belt to go with this attire, and I'm going to put it on the right way. It's the black one. They have a gold one. They were sold out of the gold, so I just said forget it, get the black. So this is like super like this is super cute. This is so I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna have like this. I gotta find, either I'm gonna reorder, get some red freaking bikini bottoms, or I don't know what I'm gonna do. But anyhow, this is what we have. Red bikini top, this skirt, and then the jeweled belt. So this is outfit number one that I got. And then let's see, where's my shorts? This isn't shorts. This isn't shorts. I got the biker shorts. Okay, yeah, I'll put these on right now. I got the biker shorts. Is it called bike cycle shorts? Bike cycle shorts. Sorry, you can't even see my face. So I took off the belt. I'm gonna take off the skirt. I just have some little black shorts on right now. And I want to show you guys the biker shorts. I got this in a size 8. So let's see how these look. Ooh, these are cute. They fit good.
Fit really good. I like the material. The material's really good. Like with this material, like when you work out and stuff, bend down, they're not gonna, like, you know how some yoga pants, like you were trying to work out, but you're too busy like pulling your pants up because steady falling. Like, this is not gonna be the situation with these biker shorts.
Oh my god, this is burgundy long, this burgundy high neck long sleeve with the slit right at the stomach, and it's super cute. So I'm going to try this on with the biker shorts that I have on. I'm going to turn around and put it on. I love long sleeves. You know how sometimes you can like put your hands in the long sleeves, so that's what I like most about long sleeves. This is like so cute. This is so cute. Super affordable. Everything on the site, let's put this up a little bit. Everything on the site was super affordable. So yes, I like it. I like it. I like it. Let's see if I get this right. So this is the, I like this one. I like this one is like see-throughy at the top. So that's super cute. And you just tie it however you like. This is so cute. Oh, check me out. I've never had anything like this. And you can pair, what I like is that you can pair all of this with these biker shorts that I got from there. And it looks super cute. Like, I feel like tiny. This is so cute. Like, wait. Just a little. So what I like with the basic plain stuff, you can dress it up. You can get a trench coat. You can wear a hat with it. You can just dress it up however you like. And that's what I really like about, like if I didn't have this bra thing here, but anyways, you can really like dress it up and make it look super expensive when it's really cheap. Cheap but good quality. Okay. Whoa. This is a white halter top shirt. I don't know how or where I would wear this to. I'm sure I could figure something out. Maybe it's because I need to like alter it and maybe like put a body pin or something back here so it could like be more up. But this is really cute. Like, I like it. Same biker shorts. Bike shorts. I got actually 2 bike shorts that I ordered, so of course I won't try on the other one. I just got 2 of them. Whoa. Hide and go seek, peekaboo. No, keep that in there. So I am back. This is just a jersey. This is just a jersey shirt. What is this called? Black. Basic black roll sleeve crop t-shirt. It's really like cool, chill, like you just want to go do some errands. I think it's really cute, honestly, to go out and go to the mall. I will go to the mall with anything. Anyhow, so this is how it looks like, a little crop top. And I paired it with my Adidas hat. just to make it look super cool. I'll step back. Okay, so that's that. And next we are moving on to the dresses, right? Yes, we're moving on to the dresses. I have 3 dresses.
And then you have to have that sexy black dress. And I wanted it super long. I didn't want it to show too much of anything. This is the strappy midi dress. And well, this is a size 8. This is a size 8. So I'm really liking the sizes of everything because everything is basically fits. Like, I feel like it's to the size. Like on a size like 8 fits. But on a size 8 and most of the stuff to make sure that it fits. Well, this fits. Maybe because I'm doing it the opposite way because my hips and like my thighs mostly are so much bigger than like the top part of me kind of. Except for my stomach.
So freaking like, it fits so good. I could bend over, not showing anything. I could jump. I could break it down low, break it down low, break it down low, break it down low, and still not show anything. So yes, this is definitely like night out with babe, or you just want to go out and look super cute. We just having a good day. I'm upset the sun is like going down, so the lighting is totally not good right now, but we still gonna make it happen, okay? I hope I don't get any makeup on this one. This is just a halter top white dress. White dress. So I'm gonna put this one on from the bottom up again. This one is kind of see-through-y, as you can see, so I would suggest wear something under, or if you have those little nipple covers. So yeah, as far as like the bottom part, I have on black shorts now, so I can't really tell, but yeah, I would either wear something under here. It's a lot more loose. It's a lot looser than the black dress that I had on. So yeah, I could like, the black dress, you probably couldn't do this. And it's a little longer too. It goes all the way to the back. Right there. Really cute. And these dresses I think were $8. Like $8. I think they were $8 for these dresses. Something around there, really cheap. Under $10 for a dress. This dress is super cute. Like, this is probably, I'm most excited about this one. Because I was like, oh yeah, I got to have that. So, I say the best for last, you guys. Look, what you gotta do, you have to like build up the suspense, and then people are like, yes, you know. So yeah, I have this super cute Jamaica Kingston. Hey, I don't know how to do a Jamaican accent right now, so yeah. Shaba, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna try this one on. This one is super cute. A little more on the short side. So come on, rule girl, when you give it up. Come on, rule girl, what you thinking of? Take it. Let me love it. Something like that. This is so cute. And it's super like, super loose. Really cute. Jamaica Kingston. If I had a third thumb, I would give 3 freaking thumbs up to Pretty Little Things. Like, they did their thing, and I definitely feel like Pretty Little, I was gonna say Pretty Young Thing. I do feel like a PLT. Pretty Little Thing, yeah. I feel like a PLT for sure. And yeah, like the sizing was amazing. Everything I ordered was correct. Even the incorrect one that I did on accident was correct when they shipped it out. And yes, I am completely satisfied. Like I said, if I had a third thumb, I would give them 3 freaking thumbs up, because let me know if you enjoyed this haul. Let me know by liking this video, also leaving a comment about what was your favorite outfit of them all. Also, do not forget to shop Pretty Little Things. Trust me, you will not regret it. I have shopped for Pretty Little Things. If so, let me know your favorite outfits, because I do plan on reordering some stuff, and I want to have my list ready of stuff that I'm going to order. So thank you so much again. Let me know what's your favorite outfit. Mine is a Jamaica freaking dress. Like, I'm in love. Okay, let me know what was your favorite outfit, and see you later.